Is your HP 2700 printer showing offline even after connecting it to the computer or smartphone? Don't worry, this is a common issue that can happen due to incomplete setup, driver problems, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll walk you through right solutions to help bring your printer back online. And if you get stuck at any point, you can always reach out to our printer expert using the numbers on the screen. Alright, let's dive into the solution and get your printer up and running again. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Solution 1. Hard reset your printer. First of all, go to your printer's control panel and press and hold the power button and cancel button for around 15 seconds. After that, printer will print a page and the reset will be complete. If this method is unable to fix your HP printer's offline problem, then let's move on to the next solution. Also, if you're facing any other problem with your printer, tell us in the comments. Solution 2. Set up your printer properly. First, you need to open the HP Smart app on your mobile phone. And then tap on the Setup or Add New Printer option at the top. On the next screen, select the Get Started option. When you see the name of your HP printer series, then tap on it to move forward. Next, it will detect your network name and ask you to enter the password. Once you've entered the password, tap on Continue to complete the connection. After some time, a pop-up will open to ask you to press the information button on your printer. So, go to your printer and press that button. Once the connection is complete, you will see this on the screen, and your printer problem should be resolved. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.